Okay, so welcome to my channel. I am Pawan. So today I am trying to build an app over here. Not an app, it's a website, web-based application. So here we are trying to solve a problem that is whenever you go to a new place, that time you don't know what and all category brands are available near you. So if you're taking about food. So for food ordering apps, there are Swiggy, Blinkit. Swiggy is there. Blinkit is not there. Swiggy is there. Zomato is there, and there are more applications which I don't know which is there over nearby. So I have been staying in Vizag for around 6 months, more than 6 months. I think 8 months, 8 or 9 months. So I don't know which all brands are available over here nearby. I'll be only focusing on only one thing. If you want to order something like chicken, you have to focus on Licious, but you don't know if any other brands are there over here. So for that thing, I'm trying to create an web application where you can find different brands which are available near you, where you don't have to install their app and then it will show you that this we are not currently available in this location. So I'm trying to figure out that thing, how we can build that kind of application where it will be nearby your location. It will be exactly based on category based. Quick commerce is there, food delivery is there, then room cleaning is there, house cleaning, urban companies does this thing. So any other brand like urban company, if it's there, so I'm trying to build something like that. So why I chose this idea? Because it's a simple idea, but the main complicated part over here is how we can get the data. We'll be scraping, some part will be scraping, and we'll also check how we can do it efficiently, a better way. Just I'll check if the stream is on. I wanted to build something in public, so only I'm doing this app, but there are so many different apps, ideas which I'm working currently. Yeah, it's working properly. And here I'll try to speak in Hindi in between because some part I forgot in Hindi. I don't know. I'll try it. It will be slightly broken in. Okay. So this is the thing. Wait, make my setup properly. Okay. Okay, done. I think before it was looking proper. One second. Stage 2. Yes, done. Okay, now it's good. So now I have set the repository, everything, and I have to be very clear that I should not show any keys what all I am building. So yeah, cloud usage is there. This is my friend's cloud. This is perfect. Okay, so now our first thing should be from where will we get the data, because I have built so many websites, and after building every website I will be focusing on data. That time I have faced this issue that we don't have data at all. We have data but we don't know how, from where we can get the data. So for that thing we will be first focusing on the data. What will be my plan? So my plan will be creating initial start, taking some location, for now Vizag, taking Vizag location, finding all those nearby based on category. We'll use Claude fully. We'll use Claude over here. We'll use ChatGPT. We'll use Antigravity for building, researching everything. Yeah. So first thing will be taking. Yeah, I'll write it down. It will be better, I feel. This is what I'm currently trying to make. Okay, so writing is very boring. I have an app. Voice to text will not work, I guess. So, yeah. Initially, we'll be focusing on voice to text. Okay, yeah, working fine. Point by point, we will try to create. I think this is required. Step, what's the name which I have kept? Business market. Okay. So we have this thing, first point. So first point, what it will be. So first, initially what we want, we need to collect the data. Okay, so we need to collect data. Data in what way? Okay. First, we'll figure out what all categories are there. This is one thing. Category, finding what all categories we'll be working on at the initial stage. Second thing, first if we get the category, then what's the second part? So once we got the category, then based on that category we'll figure out okay, category is marketplace, like food will be one category, then quick commerce will be one category. For example, quick commerce and food. Quick commerce and food. Then the second thing is once we get the category, then what we'll do? Once we get the category, we have to find, based on particular occasion, we have to find uh, what all brands are available for that category. Correct? Yeah. Finalize at the initial, we'll take 10 locations. Find first 10 locations. For each and every location and each and every category, find what all brands are available in that location. After getting all this data, store it in a database like MongoDB. Once we have the data, we will be designing and developing the website. Website is developed, then we will connect the data. We will be connecting our data from the database. This website will be entirely free and we will be earning from Google traffic, so integrating Google traffic. Launching it to Vercel. Finding a proper name for it and if the domain is available or not for that name. Creating a very beautiful logo, brand identity. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . marketing this app in Instagram or Twitter, wherever our public is there. Done. This is the proper flow how we will be going, and this will be the step by step flow how we'll be designing the app step by step from launching the building the app to launching phase. Everything I'll be doing in this. And yeah, so my background is I have been doing website development, app development, AI, ML from past 6 years, I feel. And if you want to see what all projects I have worked on, you can go to my GitHub, and there are, I think, more than 120, 129 repositories are there currently, and you will find, if you see languages, I worked on JavaScript, Dart, TypeScript, Swift, C, C++, then Python is there, and there are so many languages. Flutter is one of them. React Native also I have worked on. I don't know, it's not showing over here. So yeah, this is the thing which I have built from so many years. You can also check. And you can check it out. This is done long back. I didn't change it. 2026, 2025, 2024, 23. I'm doing it from 2021. So you can say I have a bunch of experience to be over here and do it live. So yeah. And all those projects which you are seeing, 70% of the project will be live, and those will be for our clients only. And whichever project you are seeing like which is not complete, those are all old projects. So yeah, just you can neglect it, you can leave it. And I think most of the projects are, I guess, private, so you will not be able to see it. It's okay, we'll continue now. And yeah, so first thing is on this one, Vercel, YouTube, Claude. I'm using my friend's Claude also over here, and I'm also having my Claude. So we'll just tell Claude initially what we want, what all marketplaces and what all categories we'll be targeting. So first thing is I have over here from my previous Claude session, I have been initially I had build architecture. No, this is I need a help to build, not required. Okay. I'm trying to build an app. No, sorry. I'm trying to build a website where a user can come to our platform and they can search for what all category brands are available in their location. So this is the main one-line sentence for our brand what we are building. So now help me to analyze what all category I should focus on at the initial stage, maybe quick commerce or food delivery. So I want at least some category where I can start with. So you can take quick commerce is first category. So we can provide me some categories with which I can start. So I've given, I need an overview of what I am doing and how I can get the data. I have some web scraping tools also. Check it for web scraping. Service delivery, real-time tracking potential Indian market. Okay, try to do it. I want to build something in public which we can scale in future. And yeah, why I am doing live is I hate video editing. I'm very bad at video editing. I'll salute video editors who are doing editing. Very irritating task. I know people say like when you are doing development, for them development is very irritating. But for me, editing is very irritating. Finding clips, editing it, it's very hectic. I found one. Mm, scraping thing, but I don't know if we have to scrape over here or we have some open source. But open source will also be. I think Blinkit provides. We can do reverse engineering over here. Like instead of going to Blinkit and instead of checking where and all Blinkit is available, I think Blinkit will have some kind of location based. I think we can do reverse engineering. Try it once. Once I'll find that scraping. Wait. Hmm. Scrape graph. I think scrape graph. I'll check it how it is, what it will do, etc. Because I have never worked with scraping before. Scrape graph. I feel this is the one. I saw it was free. Free forever. MIT licensed Python. Actually, Python repository. Scrape graph. So, it showed pricing somewhere. For what pricing is it? Growth plan, 500 API credits. Sure, it is free. Feel free to know where it is written free. Never trust Instagram. What all they are showing, you should practically test it and then only you'll come to know. I don't know, I'll check it out. I just search if free word is there or I don't know if it can be free. Check it. Yeah, first see what response Claude gave us. Great idea. But this tier 1 launched with these high data available, high usage. Tier 2, this is home service. So the main thing I feel we should focus on food and quick commerce. Quick commerce, grocery, daily needs, both are same, right? Okay, we can divide it. Let's check. I think it will come in both, but we'll categorize Blinkit and Zepto into quick commerce. Home service is there, pharma and health is there, mobility, logistic is there, Rapido, yeah. Real estate is there, entertainment and this thing is there. Nice, nice, nice. EdTech, we have. I'm the only person who is watching my stream. Very nice. Okay. Okay, so these are the categories. What we can do over is we can list it down everything over here. Categories are food delivery, quick commerce, grocery and daily needs, home service, pharma and health, mobility logistics, real estate rental, entertainment and experience, edtech and online services. Okay, these are all the services. So categories are so how many categories? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So total nine categories are, and then I feel more categories will come, but majorly nine categories are there. Okay, let's see. So yeah, so initially we focus on first is food delivery. So how can we get food delivery? Food delivery data. Any daily intent. Okay, food delivery. Stop. For food delivery, what all brands are available? Provide me a list of everything. First, we'll find the brands. I feel conversation another running. Why it is running? Okay, what is this pin code service? Good question. There are I think my friend is using Claude. Hey, you're using Claude? And it's saying another session is running. Check. Okay, okay, I'll check. Ah, yeah. Expose their data. Both platform are single page application. They make API calls. The browser network cap. Okay. Hold on, we can do this thing. Critical scraping approach is pin code. Listing out the pin code. I think I interpreted between, right? So initially we can go city wise. So step by step city based, and in your city what all things are available we can do that. So start with Visakhapatnam. Vizag. Let me check. Are not required code and all. Hello, yeah, now it is working. Now it is working. Work. Now it is working. Uh-huh. One session only. Why? Ah, yeah. I'm live streaming. Yeah. Uh, uh, for food delivery about the brand availability. It is showing like that. For food delivery, what are all the brands available product? Okay. I don't want how I can scrape. For food delivery, what are the brands available? Not in the list. Swiggy is there, Zomato is there. Wow, man, so many brands are available. Burger King is there, KFC, sure, multiple others. Okay, Swiggy. First of all, we should find Swiggy, then location, or location, then Swiggy. I'm thinking of Swiggy. Taking one brand and finding that, or finding based on location. If you take based on brand, then we'll have the location of all the places where the brand is available. First thing, if you go with location, then we have to see each and every location. I think we should go with brand. So we should collect first of all the information of brands which are available in food delivery. Okay, first thing is Swiggy. See, I am trying to take a different approach. First, finding out all the brands which are available. So, like Swiggy is there. For food thing, we have Swiggy, correct, right? For food delivery, we have Swiggy, Zomato, so many things. So, we'll go brand by brand because that will be easier for us. If we go location wise, that will be more difficult and it will be more time consuming. So, we'll take first a brand like Swiggy. So, Swiggy, we can analyze which and all places Swiggy is available. So, we don't need to search specific location based. So, we can have a database of all those places where the brand is available. We'll take Swiggy first. So, for Swiggy, how we can find where and all Swiggy is available? So, can you help me with that? Smart brand first is actually a much easier and cleaner model of this builders. Okay. Database also give convert this smart infos rather than find it infos. Cities covered. Okay. Restaurants partnered. Cities with dine out. Swiggy maintains a public facing city. Partner onboarding. First of all, we'll focus only on cities. I don't want day one, day two plan. It will be done in 6 hours. I think it will go long, but I don't know. I didn't eat food also. I have to check it. I don't know how we can pause a live stream to check it out. Okay. So, Swiggy restaurant partner. Still just trying to search something. So not certain cities with major hubs in Bangalore, Gurgaon. Okay. Swiggy maintains a public facing city direction restaurant partner. Each has a landing page listed areas where. Okay, what is the swiggy.com/city slash. Restaurant. Not available. Slash Vizag. Where it will not be there. Okay. So take all the cities, pass the location base like swiggy.com slash this city. If it shows response, that means it is available. If it doesn't show response, that means it is not available. Very nice. I think we can go with this way, but I don't know if it's correct or not. Cities in Vishakhapatnam. Not. I should go over here. Provide me the list of cities in Vishakhapatnam. Sorry. Cities in Andhra Pradesh. My bad, sorry. But very excited. What if we search? Provide me cities in Andhra Pradesh. Oh, Isaac, I don't want deeper. I want a top overview because when we get a top overview, then we can go deeper and we can find something. District districts, 35 major cities. Okay. Provide it in a proper copy list. Ah. P. Okay. Okay, we covered this many cities from Vishakhapatnam. Do bit of same thing here. Vishakhapatnam is one thing. P Nagar will try. Well, is not a city, but okay. See here, it doesn't work. If I take Vishakhapatnam, I don't know if it will work or not. It's wrong. You cannot go like this. Try a different approach. It's not wrong. Nellore spelling is correct. Ari. It's there. But in Vishakhapatnam, this is available, Swiggy. It will be a very complicated thing which I am thinking. It will be okay, but I don't know how to do it and if it's possible or not, and do they have rate limit or something. Like locate me with GPS is there. What I can do, I can take some location, can directly check it if I am taking over here. So now the location is Visakhapatnam. And what API did it hit? That I have to figure it. If I get that, I can pass all the locations from there. Where and all it gives correct thing, that means it works in that. But I'll figure it out. First of all, clear cookies. Array. Where is that one's Mac? That one will do. Location. Okay. Now we have to figure out when I click on that thing, which all API it is hitting. So for every brand, I'll do this too. Check it. Initially, we'll do with some brands, then we'll find out some other. While going, we can figure out different ways of doing that. Because I didn't knew this thing. Find out how we are doing it. So useless. Okay, me on GPS. Oh, 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 oh. These are all the data. It will take that location, it will check if the location is available or not. Every app will do that, but check. It is for map. If that is available or not. How we can find it. For this also, they have so many things. Swiggy ID. I don't have any Swiggy ID. How can we find that? Initially 2, 3 APIs. It's refresh. What if I stop at that point? Swiggy.com telemetrics. What is this? Okay. When I click over here, there is some thing. Don't. Address, recommended address. Registered APS. Somewhere it should take my latitude and longitude. I was checking with Swiggy location based, like whenever I click on location, which API Swiggy is hitting, and then what data is this passing. So based on that, I can pass this kind of thing like a location and figure out where and all it is giving wrong response, like 404 or some kind of response where this, that means Swiggy is not there. Swiggy is not there in this location. So how can I do it? And I got this kind of one API I found there, so I'll share you with you. This is the response, and for header, I think it give entire data, it will be better for Cloud. Second API call to check if the actual delivery to this location. This is Swiggy's address autocomplete code. It takes a text base. Okay, we found first one. Then we'll find the second one also. But second one, what he is asking me? MP verifier. What is it? First, you already have API. First, I'll check this. MP verify means Null. Stefan, this body will send. You will get. You found this location. This one. Where this is sent. What is the app name? Marketplace something. Eating Swiggy. Cookie copy extension. I don't have a Safari browser. I have to use Claude. Oh, saying that cookie is required. Okay, times. Okay, you can also provide. Uh, so many things. Okay, that I don't think this will work out. Please edit. Uh, copy button is. This thing is a replication of origin reference. Very irritating. Very irritating. Header, this is not required, I guess. Header, these are not required. Then we have reference. I don't think these all are required in header tag. User agent. These many things are required. Okay, I don't think this will work. It worked. What's the next step then? I don't know what is the response of the divide idea. I got this. API 1, I got this response. Telling is wrong. No address results came. This means the query didn't match anything. Fix, easy fix. This is very small tweak. It's there. Vishakhapatnam. Say data, you should find that. Okay, data is not there. Huh? Didn't give any error also. Ah. Application of this is correct. on file request body cannot copy also from here. Ooh, there will be some proper API I feel which if you're doing like this it will not work for everything. API. What's the location? Where is the location? See, it's so complicated. I don't think it's so complicated. To think on it, how I can do this. But this one is on AI generator, right? I don't know if it will work or not. Let me look for address recommendation. Main information. Okay, something it is doing. Here's what I found. The response you are getting is status code. Suggests there's a API response but not returning address data. This is likely reason I'm finding missing and expensive the response. It's already added. Content of application or this thing. CF token I found somewhere. I don't know where it went. Okay. The cleaners add a pre-request script in Postman. Why I am not able to see that token. Filter fetch API looks for any DAP request. DAP slash API request. I get it now. It should be there over here at least. CF, it's a session token, but why I am not able to see that. Ooh. API one is required for that or not? That is what I'm thinking. Error. Order online for India forbidden because cookies are missing. So I've brought that cookie extractor. Still it is giving the same. Check if 404 is because of cookie only. But for what? If I'm getting response in this way, then it's better. It is actually blocking this request. The HTML response. This API is not there only. What is that API first of all? Restaurant list API V5. For Swiggy only, it's very difficult to find. Then, हाँ मागिर जो होतो लो. Why I'm searching this? See, I only need this many things. Hmm. Okay, I can do it from here only, right? Browser, but here for a token I need. Okay. Your message successful. Mm, Okay, so now it's open on browser, but so now how it will work? We have to pick cities. See here we have restaurant list, location IP address is there and list of offset 0. So if we get response, that means in that location that is available. So then now how we have to do for Swiggy, pass on all the locations and check if it's working or not. So all places which is available. Yeah, we can do that. I feel. Okay, not at all. What is this? Three fields. If you Swiggy is active, it is 0. Any other value? Ooh. Card data is available. So it was the request which I sent. B5. Sent. What is that? CS. Hi. New document. Okay, if I can go with call, it's very nice. Thank you. Python. Why Python is required for this? Simple works. Now we'll start with Swiggy. Single platform we have to build now. So Swiggy it works. So now we can do it. We can directly scrape it from. We don't need Postman. Idiot Postman. So yeah. Now we have to target. Instead of location, see now we have to go with 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so many businesses are there. So individual business it will take time, but if you have the data, then making the software is easy. Okay. He gave some locations, I guess cookies, one thing only then. Okay, we have a Python file over here. I don't know if Python is installed or not. So we can go to documents. Uh, ah, okay, for now I've just added it, marketplace. CD. Dot, okay. Mm, we have these many files. That's what we're going to install. I don't know if Python is also available or not. If it's there and it's good. I have to install Python. For that storage is also not there. Okay, environment. Sure. Install Python package. Activated environment, install it. But you cannot install globally. I didn't know it. Okay, for run it. Done. Yes. Yes. How we'll get the response? That also I didn't check. PM Parlem. Okay, we'll check how it's response. What is it? Power of AI. Groda, it's there. MVP City is there. See, this is how we like. How we try to find a problem and a solution for that. If there is a problem, we have to find different ways to solve that problem. So here the problem was we are not able to find the data. So now initially if they have the data, website building is just 10-15 minutes task if you have AI. Use AI properly. And this is the main thing. I don't know how much time will it take for this. But yeah, if we can go in this direction, today we have Vishakhapatnam. Slowly we'll be having centralized. We'll see if the users to add PM column is not available. How many? 18 locations are there in Vishakhapatnam. Okay, this is got the date. Never try to make it perfect because there can be some problem in it. But when the users will use it, they will give that okay, in my PM column Swiggy is available. So what we have to do as a developer, we have to just go there and change it. That's it. Don't have to think that much. Okay, uninactive, no, CSV file is, we got the CSV file. It's working fine. So what I'll do is now only 18 pieces are then magic. It's very nice, nice code. So this is done. So now similarly do for Swiggy. okay, this works fine. So today what we discussed in this stream was how we can get the data, how we take a problem, how we find a solution to that problem. So now I have to eat food, I have to go and eat food and come, then I'll start the stream again. In the next stream, we'll be deciding, like trying to find more data, how we can go in a structured path. So Vishakhapatnam cities we found, then we'll find for Zepto. So Zepto is there, Swiggy is, Zomato is there. So many things are there. So we'll try to find that.